What is CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. In this video, let us understand more about it. CPU is known as brain of the computer. So it's a very important part in the computer. It's one of the main component of the computer. So naturally, because this CPU is very important, without CPU generally a computer won't work. Almost all the parts are important, but this is the main component will do all the processes. Therefore it is a central processing unit. What does the CPU do? CPU will have the three main jobs. One, do the process as per the software instructions. Anyhow, in order to CPU has to work, software is very important. So as per the software instruction, it should do the process. And then second one, take input from the input device like keyboard, mouse, mic, etc. And the next one, 3, send the process data to the output device like monitor or printer or speaker. Depend on what data it's do the process, so it should send the data to the output. Therefore the main job is take the input like keyboard or mouse and then do the calculations and then send the output to the monitor, so you can have the monitor. For example, if you want to add two numbers, then you should add me what is the first number, second number, and you should add the two numbers and it should display on the screen. That's how the main job of the CPU is do the process and take the input from the input devices and send the process data to the output device. So software play a big role in a computer. Without software, computer won't work. Even our process is so important, even software is also same important. So therefore, software, processor, all put together, it makes very powerful device. Now let us look at the CPU parts. CPU have mainly three parts. One is ALU, stand for Arithmetic Logic Unit, CU, Control Unit, and MU, that is a memory unit. So these are the whole concept works in the computer. So these are the input devices will connect to the motherboard. So that is where the CPU is located. And whatever the data comes, it will go to memory. From that it will do the processing, and the control unit will check what to do. All these things will be taken place in the control unit, and in case there is more memory required, is go to secondary storage. From that, whatever the data processed will be go to the output devices. Therefore, a computer will have input devices and the output devices, and it will also have a motherboard and the secondary storage, that is nothing but RAM. So we place the CPU on a motherboard. So this is a CPU socket and this is a CPU. We'll place it on the motherboard. So this is the socket and this is the processor. So it will be placed over here and it will be fixed. And above that we will put the heat sink and fan also, because the processor will heat up. So in order to reduce the heat, we will have the heat sink and the fan. So the motherboard will be placed inside the CPU box. With that there is also SMPS to supply the power, and this is the RAM slot where you can place the RAM, and there are other cards also. So you can see the drive over here. So therefore this is how outside it looks like a CPU box. So the processor will be placed on the motherboard inside the CPU box, and all the input and output devices connected to this CPU box. Now let's look at the manufacturers who are overall manufacturing the CPU. The major companies are Intel. So Intel company manufacture the CPUs. The other company is the AMD. So they also manufacture the processors. Therefore Intel and AMD are the main manufacturers of CPUs for desktop and laptop. For mobile, again there are many others, but when you talk about computers, so AMD and Intel are the major manufacturers. CPU history. Intel, with the help of TEDOF, introduced the first microprocessor, the Intel 4004, on November 15, 1971. Now it is 2021, almost 50 years back, this is introduced. So in the beginning it's very small, its ability to do the process is limited, but today we have very powerful CPUs. Present version is from the Intel is Intel Core. So it will have series i5, i7, i9. These are the series from the Intel. Same way from the AMD, this is AMD Ryzen. So again in AMD Ryzen also we have 3, 7, 9. So these are the different versions available. So let's revise. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. The first CPU was introduced in 1971. Intel and AMD are the major two companies who will manufacture the CPUs. So hope you get an idea about CPU now. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you are thinking. So please subscribe to our channel too. If you like the video, please click on like button. So anything you want to say, please write it in the comment box and then send it to comment. Thank you.